In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the lock answer back on your 2018 Accord without navigation. And the lock answer back basically just means when you exit your car with the remote and you lock your car, do you want it to beep or not when you lock it? And I'm going to show you guys how to change that. So first off, we're going to go to menu and then use the scrolling wheel here on the side to go down to settings, and then go all the way down to vehicle settings, and then we're going to go to door and window setup, and then go down to keyless lock answer back. So if it's on off, then that means it makes no sound when you lock it. If it's on, then it will beep when you lock the car with the remote. So select which option you want. It says on has been selected, and then that'll go away, and then you can just hit back to exit out. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.